On transition questions, the answer depends only on the logic between the two sentences. If the second idea pushes against the first, you need a contrast word like however. If it adds support, use furthermore. If it's a result, use therefore. Read both sides, name the relationship, then pick the transition that matches it. Two short sentences. Mira painted the mural. It took weeks. The combine answer should fold them into one clean sentence without losing meaning. A simple and is okay but clunky. Using a which clause links the painting and the weeks tightly, keeping both ideas while reading smoothly. Pick the version that's concise and still complete. Here's your plan for organization questions. 1. Name how the ideas relate, contrast, addition, or cause. 2. Pick the transition that fits that exact relationship. 3. Make sure every pronoun clearly points to a noun. 4. When combining, keep all the ideas but use the fewest words. Logic first, style second, and you'll lock these in. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.